Hey, welcome to my 5-minute decluttering hack. Hello, I'm Wendy, the Brainy Biscuit from brainybiscuit.com, and welcome to my kitchen, sisters. Okay, today I want to start a conversation about decluttering. If you know brainybiscuit.com, you know I blog there about midlife and minimalism and business, and I'm a fanatical declutterer. I love the feeling of putting things in bin bags and getting rid of them. Might not be for everybody, but this decluttering hack will help everybody be that little bit more organized and tidy. So, okay, let's dive into this straight away. Okay, we're in the kitchen, but this applies anywhere, the bathroom, anywhere there are surfaces. Keep them clean and clear. Wipe them down and clear them the moment you can. So put anything away that you can the moment you've stopped using it, or put things into the dishwasher or into the washing up. Ideally wash them up and put them away. This applies in the bathroom as well. So if you're not using lots of stuff, lots of towels, etc. that don't need to be there, make sure all your surfaces are clean and clear. It gives you a good palette to move forward. So wipe those surfaces even, and keep them clear. Okay, put things away. Wherever you can in the house, it probably has a home. Pick it up and take it to its home whenever you can. If you're passing and a cushion is a little bit squiffy, straighten it and tidy it. It takes 2 seconds and no one even notices. But when you can, put things away in their home. Mentioned it earlier, but empty the dishwasher straight away. Put things away. Do the washing up straight away and put things away. Worst case, put things in the dishwasher as soon as you have used them. Don't leave them on the countertop to clutter it up, and tidy away all of that stuff. Okay. Empty bins. Okay, your kitchen refuse, maybe not so much, but those bins you've got round the house, you know, in the living areas, in the office, in the bathroom, end of the day they're overflowing with paper. Get those, bring them into the kitchen, take them out to the refuse and get rid of that rubbish. There's nothing worse than in the corner of the room there's a bin overflowing with paper and detritus. Make your bed. Yes, I know your mum told you to do this and I'm telling you as well. But if you make your bed, which usually takes less than 2 minutes, even if you're using blankets and covers rather than a duvet, the whole room instantly looks a lot tidier. It provides a palette for you to clean and clear the rest of the room. And of course, it means you can imagine diving straight into that lovely bed when you get home from your difficult day. In the bedroom also, if you've got clothes that are lying around, pick them up and put them away. But if you're like me, sometimes you'll wear something for a few hours at a time and you don't necessarily want to put it in the laundry. And those kind of things end up hanging around on chairs and on the top of cupboards in the bedroom. Don't do that, ladies. Put a space aside in your wardrobe or in a drawer for those items that have been worn once for a few hours that you want to wear again. Tidy them up, put them away. If you do have laundry or dry cleaning, then put it in the appropriate basket. Use the laundry basket straight away, and if you do have a lot of dry cleaning in your household, nominate a place where the dry cleaning is left so that it's taken once a week, once a month, whatever's convenient for you. Here's a good idea, ladies. I'm assuming that there's more than you in the household, so if you've got a family of messy tykes, my recommendation is that you give them all a box or a bin with their name on it. Put these boxes and bins on the stairs or in a convenient place. And as you go through the house, if you see Dick, Jane or Spot's items lying around the room, take them and put them in the bins. I certainly have a friend who has a whole series of these bins on her stairs. Each child has its own name on it and everybody puts into everybody else's bin. Next time they go up the stairs, they take all the items upstairs and theoretically put them away. But we're dealing with kids here, so we won't go into that too much. I found that a really useful tip if you've got a crazy, chaotic household. Have somewhere to put the stuff. So as you're going past the kitchen table and Dick or Jane or Spot have left something out, pick it up, put it away, and it might just get into its own home. Okay, so tidy around the living room each night. just put the things away. Take cups that you've been using or glasses and put them in the sink or into the dishwasher. Plump those cushions up, straighten those magazines, and just make sure that that living space is clean and clear. It's much nicer to come down to that in a morning. And what I would say is, I've spoken about your home, but these rules apply to your home office if you have one too. Make sure that your papers are tidied away, put away, bins are emptied and surfaces are clear, that laptops are charged and computers are on standby or whatever they need to be for a period of time. So the rules for the rest of the house apply just as much to the office with extra paper. And here's the biggie, ladies. It's a rule that I do live by and I wish I could take credit for it, but I can't. I actually don't know where I got it from, but whoever you are, thank you very much indeed. Here we go. So if something can be done in 2 minutes or less, do it straight away. Don't put it off, no matter what the job is, whether that's emptying the bins or answering the door or anyway. My big one is the post. So the moment that the post arrives, don't put it on the side to allow clutter. Open up the post, see what's in it, and then file things accordingly. Remove all the envelopes, throw them all away. Now, if it's a bill or a reminder or something that you need to do, what I would suggest you do is put a reminder into your phone so that you know you have to do this. So pay the local authority or pay the gas bill or the phone bill on a certain day at a certain time. And then you can file that particular piece of paperwork away and you've got a lovely clear environment. So any job that takes less than 2 minutes, don't put it off, do it straight away. You will be amazed at what a difference this makes in terms of being clean, tidy and clutter free. So those are my hacks, my 5-minute how to hack decluttering. I hope you've enjoyed it. It is just a little bit of fun, but if you can take one of those things away and it can make your life a little bit better, then that's fantastic. I want you to live your best life. So enjoy this video and I hope to see you again soon. All that's left for me to say now is bye now. If you've enjoyed this little video, fantastic. Feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, etc. But also I'd love to see you over at brainybiscuit.com and my Instagram, the Brainy Biscuit. I look forward to speaking with you all soon. Take care.